We are finally joined here today to celebrate these two remarkable humans, Suki and Jimmy. Only a true Yelp elite foodie like Suki will be brave enough to order a chicken dish for a first meeting, one that requires dissecting the meat from the bones in front of another person. And it takes a good-humored soul like Jimmy to wholly embrace both the experience and person and want to take the relationship a step further. That delightful first date laid the foundation for Suki and Jimmy's journey ahead. From that fateful day when their stars aligned, Suki and Jimmy were meant to walk the path towards marriage.
Through some of my greatest challenges and decisions in my life, you are always there to support and encourage me. And with those experiences, I believe with you by my side, I know I can do anything. You always think I'm trolling, but in my eyes, you are my Victoria's Secret angel. I vow to be the person you fell in love with and never stop loving you. I promise to care and respect you. I promise to protect and comfort you. I promise to always be there for you when you need me. I promise to continue to butcher words in songs and pretend I know the singers. I promise as we move on to the future chapters of our life, we will look back and never have regrets.
Jimmy, I can't help but think back to how it all started, from our ups and downs together to who we became as individuals, but more importantly, how far we've made it as a couple. Never in my dreams did I dare think about the honor to marry, maybe because I never felt that I was worthy of being loved. Then you came into my life and showed me what love is. I am not perfect, but you have accepted all my imperfections. We both know marriage will not always be rainbows and butterflies. I promise to love you in good times and bad. I promise to cherish you, support you, and be there for you always as you have for me. I promise to scratch your back every night until you ask me to stop. But above all, I promise to respect you, our marriage, and strive to be the best wife I can be for you and our future family. Babe, I'm so grateful to have you here, and I'm excited to officially start our next chapter together. I love you.
By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and by the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jimmy, you may now kiss your bride.
You two are truly a perfect match. I'm confident that you'll both be able to provide for each other a lifetime supply of happiness and unconditional love.
Jimmy and Suki are two of the most genuine people that I know. They are both caring and self-sacrificing, and that's how I know they'll make great parents. And now I just want to say thank you to both of you for always taking care of and looking out for me. And most of all, I want to say that I'm grateful and blessed that I get to be your brother.